I tried Andrew Tate's new course, so you don't have to. And today I'm gonna go over Andrew Tate's course, The Real World, and tell you guys if it's really worth it or not. A quick introduction about me. I'm 19-year-old, I live in Dubai, and I do e-commerce and dropshipping for the past 3 years. So I know exactly what I'm talking about, and I will actually rate Andrew Tate's course out of 10, and I would be as honest as I can possibly be. So make sure you guys watch the whole video, and in this video I'm also gonna give away a complete free winning product. So make sure you guys do not miss out any part of the video, and let's just jump straight into it. Alright, at this point almost 90% of the earth knows who Andrew Tate is, just because of how quick he blew up and how smart he is with his marketing. I'm gonna give him credit to that. He's actually very smart in what he's doing, and he knows exactly what he's doing. So there's not surprise why he's the most famous person on earth. It's all for a reason. So right now I'm gonna go purchase Andrew Tate's course, and I'm gonna tell you guys if it's worth it or not. Alright boys, I think we're ready. We're at the portal right now, about to sign up. I hope this goes well, and my $49 make me actually a millionaire. As we can see, there's e-commerce, Amazon FBA, AI skills, new, freelancing and copywriting, analysis and NFTs, stock and investing, affiliate marketing, 19 effective ways of making online money. We're out here about to join, boys. Wish me luck. Let's see how it goes. So there's over 174 plus students. Real quick, I'm gonna do the calculations for you guys. 174,000, which is, at this point is almost like 200,000, but let's just say that's the minimum, and that's the unupdated version. Into 50, that's $8.7 million in a month. I'm gonna be very honest with you guys, courses actually make you a lot of money, and I have a course too, but my course actually guarantees you 99% of success. As you can see on the screen, all of these students making money from e-commerce and dropshipping. That's something that I teach, and the best part is I actually personalize into one thing only, so that you guys can focus on the one thing and actually succeed in it. But yeah, if you guys want to join or learn more about it, you guys can visit hustlersecom.info, and you guys will get the complete idea of what I'm talking about. But anyways, the matrix is cracked. This is your chance. A portal exists, and escape. This will be the most important decision of your life. Take the red pill, join the real world. We are waiting for you. That's a message from Andrew Tate, boys. Let me actually fill out my info. So I'm here outside the matrix. I'm completely outside now. I'm invisible. And over here, I can see some stuff. Of course, there's cryptocurrency investing. There is copywriting, e-commerce. And since I'm an e-commerce mentor and entrepreneur, I think I'm gonna just go to the e-commerce section. And over here, it says start right here. So we're gonna go right there and, see where it takes us. So it says how to use the campus, learn center. Okay, perfect. You know what? Let me actually just click on view the introduction. Let's watch it. Let's rate it out of 10. Alright boys, we're about to play the first video. Let's see what this is about. Alright boys, so the mentor that we have is not Andrew Tate. It's someone called Shoaib. Fair enough, that's a smart move from Andrew Tate. You just gotta outsource everything that you got. And I'm not saying it in a funny way or in a bad way, but that's actually a smart move. If you can hire an expert, why do you do it by yourself? Just literally get the work done. But kind of feels out of range, if you know what I mean. I wish it was Andrew Tate explaining e-commerce, but I don't think so. He has done it, and he also said e-commerce and dropshipping is dead.
Fuck subject studying dropshipping, website design, no geek crap.
Which kind of concerns me. How does this portal still exist for e-commerce? But anyways, we're gonna still continue. I love Andrew Tate, so I'm just gonna continue through this introduction. Yeah, simple video. How to navigate the campus. Perfect. Oh, introduction. I have to click next. Okay. I like the lesson. Okay, next lesson. How to navigate the campus. I think I already know it since I've been using Discord. Alright, next. Do you understand? Yes. Okay, so here it is, guys. E-commerce learning center. So it's called introduction, then branding, store setup, paid traffic, organic traffic, knowledge hub. Now the most important thing I'm gonna look into is branding and store setup. That's what I'm actually expert at. So let's see what it talks about. Alright boys, so I just watched a few videos about order fulfillment and dropshipping supplier guide. Now when it comes to choosing CJ dropshipping and all of these other tools, it comes with a little bit of problem, because they do not have all of the products that you actually want to fulfill. And there's also something about it which makes them extra money, like the real world, by having the affiliate link. Now I'm not sure if they have the affiliate link or not, but It's very, very interesting as much as I'm going through it. Let's see, picking a niche. Let's see what they talk about the niche, because niche is very important. Alright boys, I watched the niche video and I have a problem. Let me explain why. So when it comes to choosing a niche, guys, what I tell my students is to not choose a niche and go with a general store. Now the reason why I tell them that is because I do not want them to actually get stuck in a single niche or get stuck in a single product store. But the reason is very, very obvious, because if you go into a niche, you have to find product in that niche, which kind of minimizes your scaling capital. So that's why we go with a general store. We actually add a makeup, a baby product, whatever it is, and we actually test out those products within the 3 days, and we actually find a winning product from different niches and add it to our store. Now the best part is people does not care about what other products you have in your store. You know, if they actually cared, they would have gone and bought the product from Amazon, but they don't, because they actually think that you're a brand and they don't want to move out of the brand. So whenever we even advertise, we advertise the product link, not the domain, you know. So yeah, a niche, I would suggest you guys to go with a general niche, and that's what I find my success through. So that's what I would suggest you guys. Alright boys, I just got done with the e-commerce course. It's been like 4 hours now. If I could rate out of 10, I'm gonna rate it a 6 out of 10, and there's, you know, obvious reasons behind it. Now when it comes to the information, it has a lot of information, but it is not straight to the point. When it comes to dropshipping, you definitely need to be straight to the point. For example, when it comes to dropshipping here in Dubai, I always go in detail about dropshipping in Dubai and in the MENA region, like in the GCC. And when it comes to dropshipping in the, you know, worldwide, you know, USA, UK, it's very tough. The competition is a lot, and general type of dropshipping videos does not get you anywhere. That's something that's available on YouTube. Now you might be asking, what's the difference between your course and the real world? In my course, I actually go over exact strategy on how to actually do it here in Dubai, from having the winning products that actually work in Dubai, to having the delivery company, to actually ordering the stock from the suppliers that I use. It is a bit different, but you guys get the point. I'm not gonna hate on it or anything like that. That's my honest opinion. Yeah, there's so many things, boys. I think I'm just gonna stick through e-commerce. I'm gonna make a store through e-commerce with the real world, see how it turns out. Once I actually get the results or something like that, I'm gonna let you guys know. But for now, I'm gonna just stick through e-commerce, and in the next video I'm gonna give you guys an update, see how it is and stuff like that. But yeah, overall I think it's built pretty good, but the competition is really high. There's way too many people over here, and it's gonna be tough for you to actually succeed in this. But of course, nothing is easy. You always gotta be the top person. But yeah, boys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I actually enjoyed this video a lot and actually making it. If you guys have a question, make sure you guys let me know in the comment section below. And as always, if you guys want to be a part of Hustlers Ecom, something that I teach here in Dubai, you always can shoot me a DM on Instagram and I will get you sorted. So yeah, see you guys in the next video, and peace out.